Hi, I am going to show you how to make a quick and easy lunch or dinner for the guy on the go, or the woman on the go, or the kid on the go, for anyone on the go. So this is a chicken and bacon wrap, or could be a taco or a quesadilla, however you want to word it. But all in all, it's the same deliciousness, just semantics. If you want to call it a wrap and roll it up and cut it in half and make it really pretty and stick a toothpick in it, it's a wrap. If you want to fold it over and flatten it out a little bit or put another one on top of it, another tortilla on top of it, then it's a quesadilla. Or if you just want to fold it over and eat it like a chicken and bacon taco, then it's a chicken and bacon taco. I don't really care, but it's really good. So anyway, enjoy. It's super quick, super easy to make, and it's very filling, and I absolutely love it. So here's some of my ingredients. I've got guacamole, or is it guacamole? Guacamole. I've got chicken breast that I've grilled up along with a strip of bacon that I've chopped up, some lettuce, a few tomatoes, some craisins, and some shredded cheddar cheese, and homemade ranch dressing. So this is where it all begins. This is a really delicious chicken breast. Don't eat it like this. It'll hurt your teeth. So this is brown sugar, brown sugar and barbecue seasoning on this chicken breast. And I get it at my local grocery store, and I absolutely love it. They're very delicious. And I grill those up. And we're gonna start with a little bit of cheese on the quesadilla. I put the cheese on. I want to put on my gigantic oversized lid just so I can get the cheese just slightly melted. I like the smaller tortillas, like the little 8-inch tortillas. And then if I'm still hungry, I can always, make one more. But I like the smaller tortillas personally. All right, pretty melted. I'm gonna bring this over to the docking station. I've got my tortilla there. Turn the oven off. Don't forget that. Now, I'm going to put on the main ingredient, the chicken and bacon. Get in there. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of homemade ranch dressing. This is gluten-free, fat-free, calorie-free, everything free. Just kidding, it's not, but it's really good. Then I'm gonna put on a little bit of guacamole. Holy guacamole. A little bit more. And this is going to be a bacon and chicken wrap. Put on my lettuce and tomatoes, some craisins. And there you have it. Super easy, delicious. I will save you. I'm not going to roll that up and eat it on camera. That's gross and disgusting. I hate watching TV shows when people are eating food. It's gross. But anyway, super easy. Craisins, chopped up lettuce, chopped up tomato, some chicken breast, a strip of bacon, some melted cheddar cheese on an 8-inch tortilla with some ranch dressing and guacamole. Enjoy! Hi, and thank you for watching the Regular Guy Food Channel. I appreciate your time. Leave a comment down below here and let me know what you think of some of my creations. And if you have any ideas of things you'd like to see me cook, leave a message as well. Thank you.